Students, in this session we are going to learn about the grammar part. In that we are going to learn about verb. Do you know, students, what is mean by verb? Verb means we can say in a very easy language, that is, verb means doing words. Okay, means in sentence when we recognize which the noun is doing something or doing which action, that word is known as verb. Okay, means for example, sit down, stand up, or write, eat, laugh, play, jump, walk, sleep, talk, laugh, cry, all are known as doing words or verbs. Okay, in according to your standard, okay, there are some types of the verbs, like which I am told now. The examples are action verb. But see, when we use am, is, are, was, were, these also known as helping verbs or helping words. Okay, so see, students, what is mean by verbs and how we use it in your sentence we will learn. Okay, see, verb means what? The word which tells us what a person, animal or thing is known as a doing word or verb. Means in a sentence, a person, animal or thing, what is doing, and we recognize what it is doing, that word known as verb. Understood? What verb tells us about? Verb also tells us tense of the sentence. Means sentence is of present tense, past tense, future tense. It indicates by the verb what a person, animal or thing is. Means like I am a teacher, you are a student. What we are, who tells us? Verb tells us. Okay, what a person, animal or thing has. Suppose I have a scale. How do you know I have a scale? Because I told you by using the verb have. I have a scale. Okay, students. Now open your textbook on page number 44 for better understanding. Okay. Verbs. Read the sentences given below. Meena goes to school every day. Birds fly in the sky. Barbies cry when they are hungry. Babies cry when they are hungry. The words goes, fly and cry are doing words. They tell what Meena, birds and babies do. They are called verbs. Understood? Mind it well. See, the word which tells us what a person, animal or thing does is known as doing word or verb. Okay. See, here is one question. Question A. Underline the verbs in these sentences. Eat your breakfast quickly. Which is doing word? Eat. So it is verb in this sentence. Okay. My sister sings well. Sings. The dog barks at night. Barks. Children play in the park. Play. I swim in the evening. Swim. Meena draws picture. Remaining you have to solve. See the next. Am, is, are. Read these sentences. I am a dancer. The dog is very active. The chairs are new. Okay. See the next page. The words am, is and are tell us what I am or the dog is or what the chairs are. They do not tell us what I the dog and the chairs are doing. Am, is, are also called verbs. Other similar verbs are was, were, shall be, will be, and so on. Okay. Verbs also tells us what a person, animal or thing. Okay. Now see the next question. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Monica is a good girl. Is. Meena and Veena are sisters. Are. The dress is gorgeous. Is. The baby is hungry. Is. Sachin is a good batsman. Is. Remaining you have to solve. Okay. See the next. Has and have. Read these sentences. Mona has new pen. We have a new pet. The words has and have tells us what Mona and we have or possesses. They do not tell us what Mona and we are doing. Has, have are also called verbs. Mind it well. Verb also tell us what a person, animal or thing has or possesses. See, underline the verbs in these sentences. Tanu has long hair. Has. The doll has pretty eyes. Has. Turn the page. The children have new toys. Have. Monali has a few new dress. Has. Okay. Remaining you have to solve. We have learned about verbs which have only one word. Now let us read some sentences where the verb is made of more than one word. See. Abhi is playing in the garden. Verb is playing made up of two words. Is playing. Verb. The train will be reaching. Will be reaching. Whole phrase is verb. Understood? Now see. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. The stars are shining. Are shining. Both are verbs. We are doing our homework. Are doing. Vinith and Vishal are reading. Are reading. My grandmother is walking in the garden. Is walking. I am feeling hungry. Am feeling. Okay. You have to do remaining verb. Okay. See the next. Tell us what they are doing with the help of the words given in the box below. Observe the action which in given picture and fill in the blanks. Okay. The boys are playing. Jyoti and Ragini are dancing. Susan is cutting a cake. Manali is reading a book. Tia is singing well. Veena and Surya are laughing. They are riding on bicycles. Rohan is eating his food. Turn the page. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Okay. The boys play in the garden. Mohini is singing. I always come to school. I have eaten my dinner already. The washerwoman washed our clothes. The baby was smiling when it saw me. Rohan is drawing a picture. I do my homework on time. The girls are skating outside. We will play or walk. We can use in the garden at 10 a.m. Raj helps his father to wash the car. The cycle. They have reached to meet the principal. Okay. Now last question. Find out 8 verbs from this word grid. Okay students. See. Walk, sleep, play, see. You have to find remaining. Okay. Let's revise. A verb tells the following about person, animal or things. They tells us what they do. They tells us what they have. They tells us what they are. Understood, students? You have to complete these pages and write in your notebook and send me the photocopy. Thank you.